This new estate seller generated an impressive $10K in monthly revenue, selling a simple digital product with minimal competition. What's even more remarkable, this store was launched just 11 months ago and has already made over $160K in total revenue. So if you're eager to learn how to create a fast-selling digital product like this, keep watching as I unveil the step-by-step process of starting this similar business with the power of AI. This watercolor Clipart design is essentially a PNG file with a transparent background, and this new seller has generated over 40K sales in a short period of time, solely by selling these type of designs. However, before rushing to creating a random watercolor design like this and expecting immediate sales, we need to identify one of these products that consistently generates monthly sales. And I got two methods to accomplish this, with the second method being my preferred method. The first method involves navigating to the review section and sorting by most recent, and I will identify the products with the highest numbers of repeated sales to identify its worthiness for selling. Nevertheless, this method can sometimes be time consuming because one has to go through each review to find the right product. And this brings us to the second method, which involves utilizing Alura to gain insight into the product performance. To begin, I access the shop analyzer features and input the shop name to Alura. Upon entering, I navigate to the listing section where I can observe the monthly sales figures for each product. This allows me to easily identify the products that are performing well, just like this one that has generated a significant amount in a short period of time. Now, the subsequent step is to create various prompts that will generate results similar to those of the bestseller in this store, and I've discovered two methods to accomplish this, with the second method being effortless. For the first step, I began by describing the product image of a competitor, and I divided the prompt into three sections to keep it simple. Following this, I asked ChatGPT to generate additional prompts similar to the one I just created, and I also provided further instruction on how I want the prompt to be structured, and ChatGPT did a good job. But while this method proved to be effective, you have to be good at describing your competitor's image, so ChatGPT can easily generate accurate variation from that prompt. But to make this process effortless for you, I did all the work by creating 100 prompts based on the top selling digital product in this store, which you can use to start this similar business. The package includes 10 prompts from each of these top selling Clipart design category available in the store. With this, all you need to do is to copy and paste them in an image generation platform to obtain similar designs. The link will be in the description. And special thanks to Timothy and Jean and Valerie for making this possible. Now, to create this prompt, I'll utilize a free mid-journey alternative. My main aim is to test this prompt on 3 alternative platforms that I believe are performing well, and I fancy the third one for this type of design. I began with Lexica, which enabled to generate 4 to 48 AI images per week. After pasting the prompt into Lexica, I adjusted the dimension to a 1:1 ratio, and the outcome in Lexica weren't disappointing. I managed to create more variation from the one I like by clicking here, and finally pick the one I prefer. Next, I proceeded to Canva AI. Initially, I created a custom size, then searched for magic media in the app section. This AI provided me with 500 tokens to utilize every month, and also offer a wider range of style to choose from. However, since my prompt had its own style, I left this as none, and the outcome was really impressive. But keep watching to witness even better results from the next platform. Now, still on Magic Media, it also offers the option to generate more variation from the image I prefer by clicking on the 3 dots and selecting Generate More like this to access additional varieties. After selecting the one I like, I adjusted the scale to fit the frame and I exported it out. And for the third platform, which is CGDreams, this AI provides results similar to Midjourney, with the advantage of offering unlimited style to experiment with. And after pasting my prompt, the result was amazing. Now, comparing these images side by side, which do you think performed best? But unfortunately, when you zoom right into this product, you'll notice they can be pixelated when printed due to AI platform exporting low resolution results. To upscale this, I use Remini from Google Play Store. Once I'm in, I click on Enhance. Now you can see the difference in image quality, but sometimes the color may change, so I click on Color to disable it. Also, remember to remove the white background from your product before importing it into Etsy. In this case, I use Canva background remover to accomplish this task. Now, regarding importing your design onto Etsy, Etsy only allows you to upload 5 design files per product. And to solve this limitation, the best approach is to gather all your design in a Google Drive folder and use the link to create a PDF page with a clickable download button. And this can easily be done in Canva. Now, when customers click on the button, they will be directed straight to the folder containing all your designs. And I have created a video where I explain this process in full details. But before you hit the upload button, here's a tip to increase your product visibility quickly. Ensure to use top search keywords when naming your product, similar to what this successful seller has done. Additionally, you don't have to write your product description from scratch. Simply copy that of your competitor and ask ChatGPT to rephrase it for you. Then, manually tweak some words to make it resonate with your product. Lastly, for your tags, the most effective method is to copy from your competitor. To do this, return to Alura and select the product you want to copy tags from. Then, you can see the tags used in that product. By following these steps, your product has a better chance of being seen when people search for your competitor's product. In conclusion, I hope I've shared a digital product that has the potential to sell quickly within a short period. Remember, uploading high-quality products is the key to success on Etsy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.